Welcome to the LANCK Contacts section. This is a database that contains all information about recipients, added either manually or through the contact import. This section also includes contacts uploaded via the API and phone numbers that receive messages through the API. For security reasons, the option to download the contact base from the platform is disabled. The contacts section is structured as a table with each column representing an attribute assignable to contacts. A phone number is a mandatory attribute required to add a contact to the database. There are also 7 additional default attributes which cannot be deleted: name, surname, city, email, tags, target filters, and opt-out. All other attributes can be edited, deleted, or replaced. The types of new attributes can include email, plain text, a text list of values, numbers, or dates. For example, to add the recipient's gender for more personalized broadcasts, select Text List of Values and define the parameters. The new attribute will now appear in the contact base. You can also customize the view by leaving only the attributes you need in the table. You can edit contacts manually one at a time. For example, you can unsubscribe a specific recipient from a channel directly within the contact base. A mass editing option is also available. To use it, filter contacts by one or more attributes. For example, you could select all contacts living in Paris with your company's domain in their email address. Next, you need to enable mass editing. Select all recipients on the page or in the entire contact base, then proceed with editing. For security reasons, deleting the entire contact list is disabled. For example, you could assign the tag employee. A tag is a characteristic of a contact. Each contact can have multiple tags, such as the date they were added to the contact base, their loyal customer status, and so on. To delete an attribute, toggle the Delete Attribute Values option. For example, you may need to remove the region assigned to these contacts. After you've completed mass editing, remember to disable this feature. Next, let's discuss creating recipient lists using target filters. Target filters are specific attributes used to select and sort recipients. For example, we might use them to send a test email campaign to our company's employees. Save the filter as a target and give it a name. As soon as new contacts match the criteria, they will automatically be added to the target filter. You can view all your target filters in the Targets section. You can also duplicate filters to add or remove attributes during the editing process. This option will help you create more specific segments. From this section, you can immediately launch a broadcast to one or more targets. In the Targets section, you can also see how many broadcasts have been launched for each specific filter. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact our team.